Welcome back, MrYouWho partiers. Andy here. Great to have you back with us today. Now guys, I've done reviews previously on the JBL Party Box, which you can see here, and also JBL Charge 5. Now in these reviews, I found these to be exceptional speakers in their own right. But today what I want to do is, I had a number of subscribers that go, Andy, should I go for the big speaker or should I go for the small speaker? And it's a great question, guys. So today what we're going to do is we're actually going to have a look at the JBL Party Box, go through the key features again, going to jump across, look at JBL Charge 5, and kind of talk about why you should choose either one of these speakers. Now, the great thing is the JBL Party Box speaker has 100 watts of power, so it really does pump it out. It's got a light show, microphones, microphone input, guitars. You know, you can take it around and do a party on the go. Versus the JBL Charge 5, it's one of the latest speakers of JBL, but it's water and dust proof. So it's IP67. You can take it out on the beach, you can take it out to the parks. Still a great sound as well. But it's very much more portable as well. So depends on what you guys want really. If you want something that, you know, this could potentially play at a wedding venue, this could play at a party, you know, this could really fill up the sound in your backyard. This you can still take out with some friends, has some good quality sound, and it'll sound really good too. So we're gonna do a sound test of each of these. We're gonna go and unbox them, have a look at each one of them, go through some of the different features, and then come back to you with our conclusion. Let's go and jump into it now, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho. We wanted a Bluetooth speaker we could use outdoors, you know, when we're swimming at the beach, at the park, something that could use good sound, use around the home, and we got the JBL Charge 5, and we're really surprised with how great this Bluetooth device is. It's actually excellent. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the JBL Charge 5 to look at what comes in it, talk about some of the features. We're actually going to go and use it out on the beach, at the pool, having a barbecue, so you can see how good it works, and how you can see how the IP67 dust and water resistant really does work as well. They're going to go test out the sound, so you can see how great the sound quality is. You're going to be really impressed. Talk about some more of the features and benefits, and finally give our final review about what we think of the JBL Charge 5. But it really is an excellent speaker. So here's the speaker. Now doesn't that look nice? Doesn't it look like a great quality product? The JBL logo is emblazoned in the front, which I really like. I think it looks fantastic. And there's the speaker. So there's the woofers at the back, where the sound comes out of, which we'll be demonstrating shortly. There's the back where you can charge it, but also you can also charge other devices when you're on the go. So this can be used as a power bank as well, which is great. So going to the top, so you turn it on there, connect to the Bluetooth, volume up, volume down. That's where you connect to Party Boost, where you can connect multiple devices all at the same time, which is excellent. And also to play and pause your music too. Now it comes with 20 hours battery life. Doesn't take long to charge because USB-C fast charging. I've been using it for a couple of days now and haven't need to charge it, which is excellent. But both speakers sit either side, so it's like having surround sound. You become immersed in the music, so it's great if you've got dance or hip hop or rock. And the sound's really good, and it's quite easy to pair them together, as you saw. You can do it manually. I find that becomes a bit tricky sometimes. So if you use the app to do it, very straightforward. But it really adds to the music. So I would suggest get 2 of these speakers, create your own little dance club at home, and because the sound goes really high as well, it's great to listen to music. So yeah, the party boost is absolutely fantastic. I'm sitting out here at Service Paradise, the beach in the background, lovely view, having a drink, and the sound is so soothing. It sounds really clear, and it really feels like the apartment. That's the great thing about this speaker. You can take it anywhere. You can sit it outside, you can go for a party, you can take it to the pool, you can take it to the beach, and it sounds really good. And anyway, I'm going to just sit back here, get some more rays, and really enjoy this music. So the great thing with this JBL speaker is you can use it in the water. As you can see, it's sitting in the water at the moment, playing the music as well, here in a pool next to the beach. And the great thing being waterproof is you can use it anywhere. It's fantastic. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy my swim while you guys enjoy the music. Now, despite what a lot of people think, MrYouWho does get tired sometimes, and it's probably all the videos I sit there making, trying to bring a bit of excitement back into your lives. Well, nothing more to do is the JBL Charge 5 is perfect for when you go to bed. The reason being is because the sound can be you can turn the sound down to be quite soft. It sounds really nice. Actually, I feel like a bit of a kid right now. JBL Charge, let's put you on and let's have a bit of a relax. IP67 rating. The JBL Charge is fantastic to use out and about. And the great thing is with the rating, it's dust and water resistant and also sand resistant, as you can see at the beach, which means I haven't got some water on it and it still worked well, which is fantastic. And because of the 20 hours battery life, it can last all day and even the next day. That does depend on how loud you have the sound as well, of course. But it's a great speaker. It charges very quickly, and with the port at the back, you can also charge your devices too, which is really, really good. An excellent speaker, particularly for the Australian environment, using outdoors. It's really good. JBL, you've done a great job with it.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's mine.
The great thing with this speaker is it's very, very portable, so you can actually create a concert no matter where you are, whether you're on the beach, out in the park, in the back garden. I'm going to show you the back garden, how my back garden here actually looks, and it's really, really nice, and the speaker's going to be fantastic. So coming to Christmas time here, I'm going to be using this all the time. It really is incredible. Great soundstage, great battery life, very, very portable, great features. The karaoke is absolutely excellent. And the speaker is just generally a beautiful speaker to use. So how is the JBL Party Box go to set up? Well, it's really, really straightforward. So here's the speaker here. You can see I've got the light going already, which looks really good. Now, size-wise as well, see how it fits against me. So I'd say it weighs, I don't know, about maybe 6 or 7 kilos. It's not that heavy. So you can actually carry it if you're around. If you're going to walk to the beach, it might take a bit too much for you, but you know, it does come with a strap included as well, which is really good. Now, if you look at the controls there, so if you could see on the camera, I'll just tilt it down actually so you can have a look. So there's the controls there. So you have the on-off. If you turn that on-off, there's the battery indicator that tells you how much battery is left on the Party Box on the go. And there's a Bluetooth. So you hold that down to do the pairing. It pairs very, very easily. You use that as well to change the light show. So if you press that there, if you can see that, it changes the different light shows. See, they're very, very pretty. You've also got the guitar there, so you can actually plug in a guitar using the guitar amp there. See, you've got the guitar button there, so you can combine a guitar with it. Now on here, you've got all the different dials. So if you want to go and change guitar, put the bass up and down, the treble, echoes for microphone, which we'll show you in a minute how that works. And you've got the mic there as well, which you can use. Now, you can do volume controls as well on the speaker, you don't have to worry about it on your phone. And bass boost is really good as well. You press that to give a bit of an oomph to the bass that you're using. And just there is the mic plug as well, so you can plug the mic in. So there's the power button to connect, like there. As you can hear, it connects. You can select your channel, so it does automatically select a channel for you, so you can actually do it. And then you can basically start using it. Now it's got the microphone up and down here as well, which you can use. But I'm going to give you guys an idea about the quality of sound by doing my MrYouWho sonnet. Now I know this is a very powerful and uplifting sonnet, so I hope you guys really enjoy it. My name was MrYouWho. I had a channel. It was MrYouWho. That was my channel. So as you can see, guys, it was really good microphone. I'm going to go do it now to some music. YouWho is my channel. The music, guys, well, I think it's fantastic. You see, a 100-watt speaker really does pack out a 100-watt punch. It really is great. Now, I've got a big courtyard at the back, which I'm going to show you. The music filled it up. It was actually too loud for my neighbours. Now, can't wait to go down to my house on the Gold Coast and pump out the music, but it doesn't distort it all at higher volumes. So I couldn't even get this to the top beat. It was that good. All the bass. You can adjust all these kind of things, which gives it a really good balanced soundstage. Depending on if you like dance music, rock, classic, it gives you good music, and you wouldn't need anything any louder than this depending on where you are, unless you're at a concert. You can connect up to 8 of these devices as well, which is really, really good. So you can set them all up around your backyard if you wanted to. but it's excellent sound. So
Day, something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be me.
So guys, how was that? Now you get to see which ones you want to choose. So again, if you're going for the bigger events, want to use it for karaoke, or you've got a guitar, for example, go for the JBL Party Box. And if you want some big sound, this will do it as well. I don't actually have this up to full bore because of how much sound it pumps out. It's really good. If you want a really good portable speaker that you can use out on the go, that's waterproof, you can carry with you, this is perfect. The JBL Party Go is a bit heavier as well, and obviously you can't pop it into your bag, whereas the JBL Charge 5 you can as well. So both very, very good speakers. Now, if you want to support our channel, there's links to purchase below. Any purchases you make really do support us. And also check out the videos as well for the JBL Party Go as well in the link, and also JBL Charge 5 speaker as well. And as you can see, I even use it in the ocean too. This thing is a real beauty. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.